In this video, we're going to calculate the missing angles for angles on a straight line, angles at a point, and what's known as vertically opposite angles. So, take the first case. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. It's one of those facts you need to remember. And one of the reasons 180 is used, or 360 or all the way around, is there's a lot of factors of 360. Therefore, there's a lot of factors of 180. So if they add up to 180, 141 plus a is equal to 180. Now you should actually form an equation and then solve it. Okay, so if you're going to do that, then obviously to solve that you need to take 141 from each side. So if we take 141 from this side, we get a, and we do 180 minus 141, we're going to get 39 degrees. So you should form and solve an equation. In the second one here, angles at a point, so the point will be this point here, add up to 360 degrees. So forming an equation, we can say B plus 141 plus 92 plus 74 is going to be equal to 360. Now, if we add these up, 141 plus 92 plus 74, we're going to get 307. Is equal to 360, and then we should subtract 307 from both sides, and therefore we're going to get the B is going to be equal to 360 minus 307, which is 53 degrees. In the final case, when you've got two straight lines which cross each other, you get what's known as vertically opposite angles. So this angle and this angle here are vertically opposite, and these two here are also vertically opposite. So vertically opposite angles are equal. First of all, we're going to find C by using the fact that this 53 and the C are on a straight line. So 53 plus C is equal to 180, angles on a straight line. And you should get into the habit of writing down reasons for what you are saying. And then to solve that, you take 53 from both sides. You take 53 from this side, you get C. 180 minus 53 gives you 127 degrees. So we now know that's 127. D, we can say straight away, is equal to 53 degrees. But when we're doing geometry, we need to write down a reason. So we say vertically opposite angles. And then E will be equal to 127, the same as C, because it is vertically opposite to C. So this has been a video to show you how to find angles on a straight line, angles at a point, and using vertically opposite angles. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.